Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Want to play Minecraft with friends but you don't know how to? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the steps on how you can play with friends. Let's go. There are several different ways to invite or play with friends in Minecraft, and the method often depends on which version of the game you're using. One of the most popular ways is through Minecraft Bedrock Edition, which is specifically designed for cross-platform play. This version allows players on a variety of devices, including PC, Windows 10 and 11, Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, and mobile iOS and Android to all play together on the same server. To play with a friend, you can either join their world directly or through an invite. To invite, first, make sure you and your friend have added each other on your gaming platforms. On Bedrock platforms, for example, you'll both need an Xbox Live or Microsoft account and should add each other by searching for your respective gamer tags. To add your friend, first tap the Play button and look for the Friends section in the top right corner. Find and click the Search for Players. Type in your friend's gamer tag and add them. To host a game, you must first create or edit a world and make sure the settings are configured for multiplayer. If you are creating a new world, tap Create New World. If you are editing an existing one, tap the pencil icon next to the world name. Next, scroll down to the multiplayer settings and toggle on the multiplayer game option. Then set player access to which option if you want full control. If you also want the people on the same local network to be able to join without an invitation, make sure that Visible to LAN players is turned on. Afterwards, tap on Create to start the game. Once you're in the game, pause it. Tap the menu and select Invite to Game. Select the friends you want to invite from your friends list. They will receive an in-game notification inviting them to join. Another excellent way to play with friends is through Minecraft Realms, a subscription service that provides personal, always-online servers hosted by Mojang. This is the ideal solution for a consistent group of friends, as the world is accessible 24/7 even when the host is offline. To get started, one person simply needs to purchase a Realm subscription for either the Java or Bedrock edition. Once the Realm is active, the host can invite friends by their gamertag. Friends can then join the Realm at any time through the Realms tab in the Play menu. With its easy setup and always online access, Realms is a great option for smaller groups, supporting anywhere from 1 to 10 players depending on the subscription plan. Lastly, the Bedrock edition of Minecraft offers a selection of popular public servers, such as CubeCraft, which are accessible directly from the Servers tab within the game. These servers provide a variety of mini-games and multiplayer experiences. To play with friends, simply navigate to the Servers tab, choose from the available list, then tap on Play. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video, or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.